everyone! Welcome to class.
Drink soy milk, oat milk, rice milk, almond milk. Don't steal milk from a cow. Be vegan, start right now. Follow that vegan teacher, she will show you how.
Today we are traveling to a cinnamon bun place. And this cinnamon bun place is 100% vegan. Now I've been there before, but I haven't been there in a while. And this is what it's called. Right there. Let's see if we can see the name on camera. There we go. Cinnaholic. Cinnaholic. Sounds sinful. Sounds delicious, right? Wait till you see what they are capable of making. All vegan. There's no dead animal products in there. Let's go. All right, we are at a vegan cinnamon bun place. Check this out. Look at all these delicious options. Can you believe it? These are all vegan. No animal products. No dairy, no milk, no meat, no violence. Let's go in and check it out.
Animals are innocent, like children. They need protection. Save them now, save them now.
Look at this. This is vegan. Hi! Just checking out all your amazing vegan things here.
Beautiful.
Look at that. Cholesterol free. Sorry?
Is this your first time here?
It isn't actually. I have been here before, but I am from Montreal, so we're just visiting.
Incredible.
You wanna tell me a little bit all the different things? They're so beautiful. My God, look at this. They're works of art, honestly, aren't they?
Thank you.
Wow. Yeah. Are you vegan yourself yet?
No, not yet. I'm vegetarian.
Vegetarian, so you gotta get rid of the dairy, right? And the eggs.
The egg industry is just a cycle of misery. They lie to you endlessly. Don't buy eggs, walk away. Go to egg-truth.com today.
All right, we have double trouble. What's in there?
So peanut butter frosting with peanut butter cups.
Oh, peanut butter. And it's still vegan?
Yeah.
Okay, everything's vegan. Oh my God. And the Snickers, I guess it tastes like a Snickers bar, but no egg or dairy?
Yeah, peanut butter frosting, caramel sauce, and chocolate chips.
Okay, it's sort of hard to film through the glass here, but, well, yeah, and then out there, the mother load. Okay. What's in there?
It's vanilla frosting, chocolate chips, a big keto scoop, cream cheese frosting, and Oreo.
Vegan cream cheese.
Vegan cream cheese.
All right. Yeah, and the bake sale, oh my God.
Frosting, cookie dough, brownie bites, and chocolate frosting.
Cookie dough, yeah. And then a Cookie Monster. Oh, just got a call. Okay. Cookie Monster, and they also have red blacks. Maple. Oh, that looks so good. Look at the nut pieces on top of that. Crème brûlée. Wow. And they have a cookie dough sandwich there. I don't know what's in the middle there, but it looks like some sort of ice cream or something. Brownie at the back, raspberry cheesecake. And again, everything here is vegan. Crispy coffee, cookies and cream. Monkey business. Oh, looks like some banana pieces on there. Jelly roll. Oh yeah, anytime there's fruit, that's always wonderful too. Salted Elvis. Oh, looks like there's some salted pretzels on top. Mocha Madness. Strawberry and cream. German chocolate cake. These ones look like, I think that might be, are these just ice cream down here? They look a bit smaller. They're what? Cookie dough scoops. Okay.
Vegan cookie dough, and it has all the treatment ingredients, so it's really safe to eat.
Oh my god, that's so cool. And banana bread on the cute little baby buns. Look at that. These are the cinnamon buns that are tiny. So if you just want a little few bites, it's great. Cookies. And then, oh, this is good too. They're baked yesterday. I know I've had these and they're just as good.
Oh, I put them in my freezer.
Yeah, those are
Incredible.
And the best thing here is the sauce on top, whatever it was, with the icing. You have icing, right? Just
Yeah.
on top. So I'm gonna order one of these, please. With just a plain one. Toppings and the signature ones. Old school, yeah, that's what I'm getting, old school. All right, I got my cinnamon bun. So excited to try this. Have you guys been here before? If you have, write me in the comments. Oops, didn't mean to slam that. Write me in the comments if you've tried these. All right, so this is what I got. It's the day-old ones, which we were looking at inside, and that means that it is just as delicious and it is easily freezable. It's just not fresh out of the oven. And here is the icing that we're gonna put on top. Again, this place is called Cinnaholic. Check it out.
I'm always in the mood to save animals and eat delicious vegan food. I'm always in the mood to save animals and eat delicious vegan food.
This icing is so light and fluffy that even on the one-day-old cinnamon buns, it makes everything gooey. Now, I don't know about you, but I really don't like having cinnamon buns that are overcooked. If I'm going for this kind of dessert, I want it to be really juicy and delicious. I couldn't see myself eating in front of you, so I decided to freeze it right there.
I'm always